Hello students, today we discuss about friction and its types. Now we discuss about what do you understand by friction. Friction is a force which acts at the surface of contact when one body moves upon another body. When one body moves upon another body. We have already learned that force can slow down or stop the body. Therefore, some force must be acting on the rubber ball or a bicycle which stop them. This force is called force of friction. This force is called force of friction. Now we discuss about the types of friction. There are two types of friction, static friction and kinetic friction. First one is a static friction. The frictional force that comes into play when one body tend to move over the surface. But the actual motion has not started. Is called static friction. For example, writing on a paper. Static means not moving. The static friction does not exist by itself. Now we discuss about kinetic friction. Kinetic means moving. Kinetic means moving. So this type of friction occur when the applied force overcome static friction and the object will start moving. When the object start moving, it are of two types, sliding friction and a rolling friction. So first we discuss sliding friction. The frictional force that comes into play when one body is actually sliding over the surface of other body. When one body sliding over the surface of other body is called sliding friction. For example, when a flat block of wood move over the flat surface of a table, the opposite force is a sliding force. Now we discuss about rolling force. The frictional force that comes into play when one body is actually rolling over the surface. When one body rolling over the surface of other body, this type of friction is called rolling friction. For the same weight, rolling friction is much smaller than static and sliding friction. This is the reason why discovery of the wheel has been a major milestone in human history. When a wheel or a sphere or a cylinder roll over the surface, whether slipping, the objective opposing force is known as rolling force.